Welcome back to the Outpost, everybody. The other day we were working on the tractor, doing some work and out in the fields, and the throttle pedal on my New Holland 2120 popped off. So the cable basically broke right at the connection. So what we're going to do today is we're going to look into reconnecting it with a U-bolt and see if we can make that work. Here's the process, and hopefully we can get it to work again. So what we're working on with this throttle cable issue, throttle cable is right down here, and here's the pedal. Well, the cable basically just snapped off while we were driving. So I got this little U-bolt. I'm gonna see if this will work, if it's strong enough to hold the cable onto this tiny piece of metal that's left. We're gonna find out if this works or not. If it works, it's a great temporary fix until I can get a new cable. So I'm gonna see if I can get this bent a little bit on the end. Maybe twist it back together a little bit, because that wire's all frayed. And if I can get this to work, I can bend the very end of this cable and help it lock into that U-bolt a little bit better. That's my goal. I'm going to lift the throttle up as far as I can. See if I can stick this through there. I don't know if that's going to work. We're going to try something else here. Take that off of there. Run the cable through here first. And then run this piece through there. It's tight. We'll have to see what we can do. Fit over a minute ago, so I know it fits. Just getting it to stay there. Let's see what we got here. Maybe I had this tightened too much. We'll see. Tiny bit of movement, that's all it took. Now this is going to take a 8mm wrench to tighten these up. Got that set up right here. So I'm going to tighten these up by hand first. Don't want to tighten it too hard because these aren't super strong. Now the question is, will that pull the throttle cable? And it does. Let's see if we can get that a little bit tighter. And it looks like I have myself a working throttle pedal. And that's all I did. Awesome. Another day of tractoring on the Outpost. Have a good one, folks. Thanks for tuning in.